as time goes by, you may make several changes to your designs over time. And if you want to access out a design that is of an older version, then what you can simply do is you can access the version history of the design file that you have. So to do that, you need to go around and click on the file menu right here. And over here, you can see that version history is an option. If you were to go around and click right here, then you can see the different version history it's stored by default. So you can go around and see that this is the current version, and I can access out a version, let's say, that is edited on 6:50 p.m. on April 5. So if I were to click on it, you can see that the text is not there. If I were to go around and click right here, there's different versions of this file, as you can see right here. So this is what you have, and if you want to go around over here, then you can see that the changes are here, just like this. If you have the upgraded version of VistaCreate, then you can restore it out as well. But I'm using the free version, so I don't have access to it. So let me just go around and exit right here, and you know how the older versions are. Similarly, I'm going to go around over here onto this project right here. And if I were to go around onto file and then go to version history, you can see the different designs right here. For example, I made a certain change over here onto this particular design. I deleted out the second page. But if I were to go around onto the last week, you can see the second page around over here as well. And that is how you can access version history inside of VistaCreate to see the older versions of your project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.